first part of our journey, you're gonna look down. I'll let you know when to look up. Hang on tight and enjoy the ride.
Initiating in 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
You're riding aboard the Mark V Stellarator, the latest in space elevator design and technology. Today, you'll have a spectacular view of Florida and the eastern seaboard. Enjoy the ride. I'll be back in a bit with arrival information.
Alright, friends, go ahead and look up. We have left the Earth's atmosphere. We are now in space.
Roger that.
If you look above, you'll see Centauri Space Station coming into view. Once we dock, gather your belongings and exit through the open airlock. A Space 220 agent will be waiting for you.